What's up guys, Lev here from Movement Minded, and today I'm going to share with you my favorite accessory for my standing desk. Now, a couple of years ago, they did some studies and they found that sitting was really bad for your health. They compared it to smoking, and standing desks were all the rage. I was doing ergonomic evaluations for a big tech company back then, and I remember ordering a lot of standing desks. Then they did some more studies and they found out that standing wasn't really that much better than sitting. The research didn't show that there was a significant difference between sitting still and standing still. The truth is, whether you're sitting still or you're standing still, the stillness is the problem. You want to move around throughout your day. When you're sitting, it's difficult because you're bound by the chair. You could only move around so much. But when you're standing, you have freedom, meaning you could shift into your right hip, you can shift into your left hip, you can bring one leg forward and the other leg back. It gives you more movement variability. It increases your blood flow and decreases the stiffness in your knees, your back, your shoulders and hip. The thing with standing is that most people, they get uncomfortable standing all day because their feet are on a hard floor or in uncomfortable shoes. And that's why I really like this anti-fatigue mat by Ergodriven. This guy right here. So this video is not sponsored. I bought this 6 months ago and I've loved using it. And I know everybody's working from home now and some people are even buying standing desks, and I really think this is a worthy accessory to invest in. Now, if you don't want to invest in this, I'll show you how to make one of your own later in the video, okay? But this thing has these ridges here. So it has a ridge here, here. It has this thing in the middle and some ridges towards the back. And it allows you to move your feet around it and shift your hips around it while you're standing. And that's what makes this so great. If you don't want to buy the anti-fatigue mat, you don't have to. So if you want to make one of these, it's really, really simple, okay? So what you do is you just take a yoga mat and unroll it. Fold it over a couple of times. You're gonna take your yoga blocks and your books. So you're gonna take one book and put it on that edge, another book or yoga block, this edge, and another book at the end. And you take the ball and you put it right in the middle. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful and motivated you to resurrect that standing desk and start actively standing while you work. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe below. I'll be putting content like this out a lot more frequently. Again, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.